Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI doll or action figure concept using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. First of all, open chatgpt.com and log in into your account. Then click on this pencil icon and it is basically a new chat option that will show you the interface that will look something like this. Now this is your prompt section where you can type your prompt and your prompt should look something like this, like create a detailed character profile for a science fiction action figure doll including name, abilities, outfit, accessories and backstory. So after typing your prompt you need to press enter and ChatGPT will instantly generate a unique character for you from its name and personality to the powers and gear. Now you can even ask for variations like make it fantasy themed or create a robot sidekick. Now once you are happy, you just have to copy the full description and now you can take it further. For example, you can use any AI art tools like DALL-E, Midjourney or Canva AI, and you can even use Leonardo AI in order to turn your ideas into the visual mockups, or you can even use it as a reference for the 3D modeling or custom toy design. And just like that, you have got a one of a kind AI generated action figure. If this video helped you get creative, like and subscribe for more AI ideas. Thanks for watching.